In a previous segment, we talked about how the organic fertilizer and commercial fertilizers are used the same way by the plant. But there's some major differences in the two of them when it comes down to the concentration of fertilizer that is in 100 pounds of it or in a ton of it. Generally speaking, organic fertilizers have been notoriously low in yield or in analysis. The analysis of commercial fertilizers is sometimes 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 times as much plant food in a ton or in 100 pounds percentage-wise than organic fertilizers are. Therefore, from a large production standpoint, the amount of product that you have to haul to the field in order to increase the nutrient level in the soil gets to be a prohibitive product, especially with the price of fuel these days. You can take a ton of commercial fertilizer to the field and get the same nutrient that it would probably take 3 or 4 tons of organic fertilizer, or especially if you're using compost and humus and all that kind of stuff, to get it to the field and get it on the ground. And then you're talking about the application process, and then you're talking about the incorporation process where you would mix the fertilizer into the soil so it would be in the root zone for the plants to use. You can't just put it on top of the ground and expect it to do everything. These kind of constraints make organic or has held organic back in the past when it came to high production or high output agricultural and horticultural situations.